What's up? Today we take a look at the Thermaltake Smart SE 630 watts power supply. The packaging has all sorts of information on the front. There isn't much on the side. On the back we find some technical data. Now let's take a look inside the box. First we find the description here. Then we have a power cable, here with EU plug. Then we get a bag with the Thermaltake logo. There are a few more cables inside. Then we have the power supply itself. A set of screws. And here is another note hidden. Now let's go through part by part. Let's start with the bag. This is nice to have, but otherwise I wouldn't need it. Of course you can store a few leftover cables in it, but nothing more. In terms of processing it's okay, but it is not of the highest quality. The power cord is also fine, but nothing special. Then there is a set of black cable ties. Okay, I just can't get them out, but these are just zip ties, all the same. Then we have 4 black screws for assembly. Now the cables that came in the bag. Here is a brief overview. The first is a 4-pin Molex cable. The cable with the red connector is an 8-pin PCI-E cable. The second red is identical to the first. Then we have a 6-pin to SATA cable. And the last one is again identical to the previous one. Finally we come to the power supply, but first off with the foil. Here we have the good part. The first thing we found on the fan is the Thermaltake logo. On the side is the power connection with the main switch. The grid itself is in hex design. On the other hand we have a large type designation. On the back we will find cables for the motherboard and the 6-pin and 8-pin connectors for the packed cables. The Thermaltake lettering is stamped on the sheet itself. The other side features a large logo again. And on the ground we have the technical performance data. Well, this one looks nice so far. The cables for the motherboard are also okay. Now my conclusion. The power supply is okay. It is nice that some plugs are modular, therefore you could exchange them for nicer cables. Unfortunately there are no sleeved cables here, but the power supply is not extremely expensive, so I think it is okay considering the price. So, if you're looking for a solid power supply and you don't necessarily value sleeved cables, you are in the right place here. I like it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and it helped you. If so, I would be very happy about the sub. Thank you. See you next time.